Name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer a domain from one GoDaddy to another. So what you're going to do first, you're going to just go ahead and make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. So you're going to go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, okay, and you're going to make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. So what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead into your official website of your GoDaddy, okay, and then what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead, okay, and basically if you want to transfer one domain from one GoDaddy to another, navigate towards my product and find the domain that you want to transfer. Click on manage next to the domain, scroll down to the additional settings, and then click domain lock, and then toggle the domain lock switch off, and then get the EPP code. And afterwards, after you get the authorization code, the EPP code will be sent to the administrative email address, and then log into your new new GoDaddy account, and then basically initiate domain transfer. And then go to the domain transfer page on GoDaddy domain transfer, enter that domain name in the APP code when prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transfer, and then confirm your transfer. So check for your email for transfer confirmation request, and follow any additional instructions to approve the transfer. So let's know in the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.